Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is heat dome. Currently, the entire western United States is experiencing a record-breaking heat wave. Nearly 75 million people are under some form of heat warning or advisory. The extreme temperatures and dry conditions are caused by a heat dome, which is centered over California. A heat dome is a weather phenomena where a high-pressure system in the atmosphere traps warm air like a lid on a pot for an extended period. As the warm air is unable to rise upward, the sky remains clear with no cloud formation. The high-pressure system allows more sunlight to reach the earth, increasing warming and drying of the soil. This leads to less evaporation and reduces the likelihood of formation of rain clouds. The longer a heat dome stays in place, the hotter the conditions can get with each passing day. The formation of a heat dome is linked to the behavior of the jet streams, which are narrow bands of strong wind in the upper levels of the atmosphere. The jet stream is believed to have a wave-like pattern that keeps moving from north to south and then north again. When these waves get bigger and elongated, they move slowly and can become stationary, causing a high-pressure system to get stuck and form a heat dome. Although heat domes are likely to have always existed, researchers say that climate change may be making them more intense and longer. Now's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which factors are responsible for the formation of heat dome? High-pressure system, behavior of the jet stream, both A and B, or neither A nor B? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.